Filipino subject. You read first the first 5 and then the rest I'll read. Go.
Ito ay bahagi ng pananalita na tumutukoy sa tanding nangalan ng tao, hayop, bagay, puok, at
Pangyayari.
Pangyayari.
Means it is the part of a sentence that that shows or that represent the real name of a person, animals, things, places, and happenings. A. Pangalan or noun. B. Panghalip. O ano yung panghalip, ma? Verb?
Adjective.
Adjective? C. Ang pandiwa. Verb ang pandiwa. Yun yung verb. Pandiwa is verb, panghalip is panghalip. What is panghalip in English? Panghalip in English. Panghalip in English is pronoun.
Pronoun?
Yeah, ang pangalan in English. Pangalan in English is noun. Alright, so okay, you have answer number 2. Go, hanapin
ang pangalan sa
pangungusap. Tungo. There are tungos. Ngusap. Yeah. So look for the noun in the sentence. The sentence is, si Ana ay masayahin. In English, Ana is joyful. So which one is the noun in that sentence?
Masayahin. B. C is not a noun. You don't hear it in the English sentence.
Yeah.
C. Anna. I think it's Anna.
Okay, next, number 3.
Anna is
the noun.
It's a noun.
Okay, number 3.
It's really long.
Go.
If there's long ones, you read it.
I'll read after number 5. Number 6, I'll read it all the way. So you read number 3. Tukuyin.
Ang mga
ay tao,
Ito ay tao, bagay, hayop, puo, o
pangyayari,
pangyayari,
pangyayari, pangyayari, tuyaya, pangyayari.
pangyayari.
Okay, number 1.
Manila Ocean Park.
What is it?
What does this mean?
So, tao is person, bagay is things, hayop is animal, puo is place, pangyayari is, what is pangyayari, ma? Event. Oh. So, again, tao is person, bagay
Or
is things,
happening.
or whatever hayop is animals, puok is place, and pangyayari is event or happening. Okay, what is Manila Ocean Park? Choose.
So,
Is it a pangyayari, puok, o bagay?
so a puok is a what?
Place.
Place.
Then next,
Bagong taon.
New Year.
Together it's like Manila Ocean Park New Year.
Yeah. New Year is the next word.
It's a happening.
Yeah. Go. Put your
Happening
answer.
in Tagalog is what?
Pangyayari.
It's the same, but different. It's the same.
Okay, go read.
It's the same start.
Okay, read. Number 4.
Tuyukin,
Tukuyin.
tukuyin, tukuyin ang
Pangalang.
pangalang pamba pam pam
Pambalana.
pambalana para sa susunod pangalang kami.
So, tukuyin, pangalang pambalana para sa sumusunod na pangalang pangtangi. Pangalang pangbalana is the noun or the what we call common noun. Ang pangalang pangtangi is a proper noun. So, these are samples, so you just need to point if it is a proper noun or a common noun. Yun na. Go.
Tanong ikaw ang playa,
Ampalaya.
ang palaya.
Is it a pambalana, pangalang pambalana, which is common noun, or pangalang pangtangi, which
What
is
does this mean?
proper noun?
What is
What can you see if it is a
what the-
proper noun?
What it means?
There is a hint, right, for you to know if it is a proper noun or
What
those are vegetables. Kangkong is the name of the vegetable. Sitaw is the kangkong. What is kangkong in English? Sitaw is beans, and ampalaya is bitter gourd. Gourd.
Gourd?
Gourd. Yeah,
It almost looks like an eggplant.
correct. Go. Choose your answer. Is it pambalana? Huh? Mm. So the choices are chocolate or chocolate, frutas, fruits, or gulay, vegetables. What are they? Now go. Go.
Vegetables.
Yeah, go. Select it.
Frutas.
Oh, you don't listen eh. Come on, again. Chocolate, fruits, vegetables. Next. Read it.
Kit Kat. Toblerone.
Cadbury.
Cadbury. What's Cadbury?
What are they? Those three. Okay, next. Number 5.
What's Cadbury?
Cadbury is like the Kit Kat too. Color purple one.
Oh,
next.
it's like Dairy Milk.
Okay, go. Hurry.
Uri ng sisi
Yo, nagsisimula.
sisimula sa malaking tipi at tumutukoy sa tiyak na nangalan
Ngalan. Ngalan.
nangalan ng tao, bagay, hayop, lugar, o pangyayari.
Okay. So it's a type of noun that points to the real name of a person, things, animals, places, and events. What is that? Pambalana, which is common, or pantangi, which is proper.
Proper nouns.
Okay. No, I'll read the number 6. But you read it too, okay? But with your eyes only.
Okay.
Mahilig bumili ng mga mamahaling sapatos si Tia Isabel. Anong uri ng pangalan ang salitang nakasalungguhit? So, Tia Isabel,
I need a pillow.
Tia Isabel loves to buy expensive things. What kind of noun is the word underlined? The underlined word. Where is the underlined word? Where is the underlined word? You read it. You read the underlined word.
Yes, my leg.
Read the underlined word.
Sapatos.
Zapatos is shoes. So what is a shoes? Is it ay pambalana o pantangi?
Shoes
Is what? Pambalana.
it's a verb.
So shoes is verb?
Yeah.
Are you sure with that? You're wrong. Shoes is not a verb. It's a noun. Now, what kind of noun is verb? Is shoes? Is it pambalana, which is common, or pantangi, which is proper?